Hi, Theo here from EURUSD. Welcome to this trade video. This is the euro dollar. This is a sell that I took this morning. It's January 18th, 2012. And this is WaveFX, the charting system that I've created and use. Up here, this is what I class as my level 1 chart. I notice that we're at a good area at the trend line. And down here on level 2 scale that I look at the market on, depicted by this brown line, we seem to be potentially double topping out here at the 128 line. Unfortunately, we're still fighting what I call the level 3 line, so I'm not shooting for the moon on this trade, because A, I'm fighting my level 3, and B, we've just been going down on level 1 for a very long time, with no significant pullback on the daily chart, which I do like to keep my eye on every now and then. Every now and then when you're talking about a daily chart is, of course, every few days is all we really need to be looking at there, at most once a day. So, based on my price action theory, I'm cautious about the sell. I don't think it's quite ready yet, so I'm just shooting for a 1-to-1 risk-reward trade. The entry was the 127.75 line, and unfortunately I got a little bit of slippage there, but no big deal, still an okay entry. I notice up here I've got this support area to watch out for, and I notice down here I've got this one too. So I map out my 1-to-1 risk reward. I can plot that on the EURUSD server, dedicated trading server, and I basically program my trade manager to take profit somewhere around here and stop loss up here, and I also programmed it to move to break even at the 127.50 line just to play it safe and make sure that this level 3 momentum doesn't continue. Alright, that's that area there. So at each of those junctures I will receive an email alert, and at this point in time I just headed off to make breakfast. Not too long after, because it was a pretty fast trade, while I was making breakfast, in fact, I received an email alert that we'd moved to break even, which of course means that we're in a risk-free trade at that time. And not very long after that at all, I received another email that we had moved to profit. So I came and took another screenshot for you. As you can see, I've exited the trade. I've taken profit at 1-to-1 risk reward. It's a little over 30 pips, so not a huge trade, but playing it safe because I'm not 100% convinced at this point that we're ready for another run down. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to start pumping out these trade videos for you. I hope to do a few a week so you can understand a little bit better what I'm doing. It's as complicated as you make it at the end of the day. I stick to just looking at price and price patterns essentially. So stay tuned, and there'll be plenty more videos on the way.